Hello my loves and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video I am recreating 3 super cute hairstyles that I found on Instagram that I think are perfect for the fall season. So if you would like to see all of the hairstyles that I create, then just keep watching. And that is it for the video. Let me know down in the comment section below which hairstyle was your favorite, and in the description box I will have all of the accounts mentioned linked along with all the items used in the video. So remember to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to join our little family. I love you guys so much and I will see you in our next video. Bye!